Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to download Xampp server and Sublime editor. Search Xampp download and click here apachefriends.org and download according to your operating system. Xampp for Windows, Xampp for Linux and Xampp for OS X. So you can download according to your operating system. Click here to download and for Sublime click here sublimetext.com. click here and download according to your operating system. Open exe file of Xampp server. Skip this warning. Next. I have already installed in my operating system, so I am going to skip this process. Click on next button to complete the process. Also, same case with Sublime. Please install Sublime text editor. Click install button to install Sublime editor. So thank you for watching this video.